Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Faricom YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to download and install the Unication PPS software. So to start, you'll just go to the Unication website, which is unicationusa.com. From there, you can go to Downloads, and then in Downloads, you'll go and scroll down until you see the G2, G3, G4, G5, P25 voice pager. Then you'll click on the downloads. It'll take a moment and then it'll load up the website. You can then go and download your G2 through G5 PPS download. This will open up a new window where you can then download the folder. Take a moment for it to load. You'll go over here to download, direct download. It'll take a moment for it to go through and download, but you'll see it downloading down here. Once that is finished, you can go ahead and open it, extract. It's okay to just extract it into the downloads folder. And you'll just open up the file. You'll see that you'll have the application file right here. You can just double click. More info. Run anyway. It'll just take a moment. You'll say yes that you want to allow. Then you'll just go through the prompts. Next, it'll install. Next. This is the location. You can just use the default. So next. Create a shortcut on the desktop, create the shortcut in the quick launcher, create it in your start menu, and auto launch the program when the PC starts. So I just have the default, which is create the shortcut on the desktop and create it in the menu. This is if you want one down here, and then auto launch when the PC starts, which I don't really need, but if you want to, you can check that and install. It'll go through, run its thing. And then finish, and it'll launch PPS for you. And then I can also show you that while it's loading, you'll see that PPS is now back on the desktop, and the default login will be admin. So that's how you go ahead and install the PPS software. Feel free, if you have any questions, to comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on future videos, comment below or visit us at our website, faricom.com. To contact us if you have any suggestions for future videos, have any questions or comments on this. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification to see more videos in this series.